Up next is a seasoned servant of the people of Free State. Having served in the Free State Legislature, the Ngwathe Local Municipality, the Mangaung Metro, the Free State Department of Police, Roads and Transport, the Free State Premier's Office, the Free State Department of Human Settlements, and currently the MEC for the Department of Economic, Small Business Development, Tourism and Environmental Affairs. Let's welcome the Honorable MEC, Makalo Mohale.
Thank you very much, Program Director. Let me acknowledge the Honorable Premier of the Free State in absentia, Ntate Dukwana. Acknowledge the representative of the Premier then, Ntate Makume Toto, who's the MEC for Kokta, and Human Settlements. Acknowledge Honorable Deputy Minister for Higher Education, Science and Innovation. Acknowledge the District Mayor of Fezile-Dabe District Municipality, Tate Khasudi. Let me acknowledge the Speaker of Metsimaholo Local Municipality, Honorable Lucas Fisher, the Director General of the Free State Province, Ntate Kopung Radikonzane, and also acknowledge the senior management and the leadership of SASOL as a whole and related entities. Also acknowledge the leadership of Kagisho Shanduka Trust and all the other partners. And for those that I have not specifically mentioned, from various stakeholders, let me also acknowledge, but most importantly, our VIPs of today, the learners, they are also acknowledged. In short, I would just like to thank SASOL for having convened again this year this biggest exhibition. It coincides very well with the current month of women, where the major focus is around or under the theme accelerating socio-economic opportunities for women. And this exhibition clearly lives exactly up to that, because it's about showcasing these opportunities that we really want to make available for our future leaders in our province and in the country. Because as government, we are focused now on ensuring, or more, on ensuring that our people don't live on the handouts, but we create opportunities for our people. And indeed, the response of the learners and the entire education fraternity clearly bears testimony to that we're a government that is more people-centered. We're a government that wants to assist our people to ensure that they become self-sufficient. And that also explains why our education system, in the main, is no longer about just getting or assisting learners to have certificates, but it is more on ensuring that when the learners complete basic education, they are complete human beings. They are complete men and women, or young men and women, who are ready to ensure that they can take the country forward. It is by no way a coincidence that in basic education, our major focus and our major investment is around the STEM subjects. And as one of the representatives of SASOL has indicated, that investment has continued to bear some fruits for our province, because the STEM subjects are at the center of what we want to see in developing our society. We have moved as a province of the Free State to say our focus is about creating employers and not job seekers. And the STEM subjects becomes more than relevant to ensure that that ideal becomes a reality. So without any further ado, the people that will speak to you are the Deputy Minister as well as the representative of the Premier. But I thought I should just indicate that as a Free State, as the top province when coming to education in the country, we are quite proud that this particular exhibition takes place within our boundaries. And we further like to urge young people to really take advantage of the information that they will get from this particular activity. And we further like to thank Sasol on behalf of our children for this opportunity. Because standing here, I'm the father with many children, close to 1 million of them, in the province of the Free State, and also on behalf of my colleagues from where these learners come from. We really like to thank Sasol for that and say we wish this particular exhibition to continue. Thank you very much.